Ocak 2023'te Wisconsin'da devreye gezen bir polis memuru şüpheli bir SUV aracını takibe aldı. Sürücü bisiklet yoluna girmek ve aniden yön değiştirmek gibi düzensiz hareketler sergilediği için durduruldu.
How's it going?
Good, how are you?
Good. Officer Bacoris, Waukesha Police. Reason for your stop today is you were over the line over here, and then also you were in the bike lane coming down east. Any reason for that?
No, we were just trying to get home. Honestly, like the car in front of us, I felt like they were getting kind of close, but I understand why why you were concerned, and that's why I just like pulled over.
Okay. What was your reason for coming in here?
It was honestly because like that car that was really close. I was like concerned and
Concerned for
yeah,
what?
we have a newborn, and I didn't want any complications. Like honestly, you can look in the back, you can check all that, and like honestly,
What do you mean by complications?
No, what I meant by like, I didn't want you to think that there was anything concerning. You know, we're trying to make it home, and like her mom is literally waiting for us.
Okay.
And, like she can show you all the ID and all that.
Do you guys have IDs on you?
Yeah, we do, and it was just a matter of like, let's just get home safely.
Okay.
We're 5 minutes away.
I hear you, boss.
Like,
Where are you guys coming from?
Right up the road.
I think.
Do you have your license on you, boss?
Yeah.
Memur aracın yanında dururken kişilerin konuşmasının yavaşladığını gözlemlemiş ve araçtan yayılan güçlü bir alkol kokusu tespit etmiştir.
Any weapons in the vehicle?
No.
Any illegal drugs? How much alcohol have we had tonight?
I think I have like
You can answer.
2.
Okay. How about you, boss?
Probably less than her, but check my ID. It's just everything's good, man. We're literally like.
How much did you have to drink is what I'm asking.
Probably
From
one or
you
two.
left, yeah, but like
One or
we
two
also
what?
left
No.
at like
At like 6 o'clock p.m., man.
yeah.
Okay. You
It
left at
was me.
6 o'clock p.m.?
Yes, like we left
You can
my
check our
apartment.
receipts. Like we're literally just trying to make it down the street.
It's me.
Right. I'm just wondering because you guys are saying you come from the restaurant. I could smell the intoxicants coming from the vehicle, so I'm just trying
Yeah, I
to see if
understand
you're
that.
safe to
It's
drive.
totally me.
The reason why I stopped you is because you were going over the line in the bike lane coming down East Avenue, and then also the line over here. So that's what I'm trying to figure out. So how many drinks did you have, sir?
Check. It was probably like 2. Like
Do you have a license on you?
Me?
Yes. All right, why don't you guys hang tight here, okay? Okay. I'm gonna run him through fields. Okay. The reason why I stopped him is he was like going a little bit over the bike lane coming down east. And then also when we turned onto Sunset here, he was over the center line. Gonna run him real quick. Yeah, so just do him here.
Rudolf'un bilgilerini kontrol eden merkez, sürücünün ehliyetinin iptal edildiğini bildirdi.
All right, Rudolph, so here's what's going on. I'd like to make sure that you're safe to operate a motor vehicle, so I'd like to run some field sobriety tests on you. Is that okay?
Let me talk to my wife about it.
Okay. Well, I'm going to do it regardless.
No,
so-
that's okay.
Okay.
I just want to know what she thinks about it. That's fine, right?
Well, she's
I just want
hearing.
to talk to her about it, right? That's okay.
What do you want to talk to her about?
Exactly what you said.
Sure, go ahead, you can ask.
Thank you.
Keep the window rolled down though.
Damn, just open the door.
It's locked. Try it. Hey, Rudolph. Hey, open the door.
Yeah, no, I was just.
Okay.
I told you exactly what I was going to do.
Okay.
What is he saying?
Let's do that now, okay?
Can I finish talking to her?
No, I'm telling you to get out of the vehicle right now.
Okay. Sorry.
Rudolf direniş gösterdiği için hızla aracı sürmeye başladı ve oradan hızlıca uzaklaştı.
440 can start us another one. 1040 for now. He's possibly 5'5", locked himself in the door.
Hey, no. Put it in park. Put it in park now.
Rudolf direniş gösterdiği için hızla aracı sürmeye başladı ve oradan hızlıca uzaklaştı.
406, we're going westbound on Sunset, passing Tenney.
444, we're going eastbound. We're passing Grambling right now. Speeds are 97.
Saatte 35 mil hız sınırı olan bir bölgede 100 milin üzerine çıkarak hızla kaçmaya çalıştı. Ancak kaçış sırasında aracının kontrolünü kaybetti. Bir ağaca çarparak durmak zorunda kaldı.
Foot pursuit! Stop! Do it now! Police department! Stop! Taser deployed.
Don't stop.
Oh my God. Roll over to your side. Do it now.
We are across from Navajo right now in the apartment complex.
1026 with the male driver. Do not move.
There was stay with him.
One female passenger. The next squad can check on her. There's
No,
a
she
car
fell
alarm
out.
going off. He can start at 1052. Unknown injuries at this time.
Are you injured?
So, you want the honest answer?
Yes, I want an honest answer.
Good. Do you really want the answer? Do you really want to know? I can give you this answer. He's cooperative now. No, I'm cooperating. But do you really
Are you
want
injured?
to know?
I'm asking you a question.
Alright. You good for now?
Yeah.
Did she run?
No, she fell out.
No, I fell out, yeah. I just watched my daughter. I don't even know if that was mine. Hey, thanks for not hitting me. Thanks for not hitting me. Hello? I don't know.
You're laughing. Somebody was laughing.
Nobody's laughing.
I don't give a So you think I deserve to die? You think I deserve to die?
Are you injured right now? I got an ambulance coming.
Do you need an ambulance?
Sir, no, I don't.
Okay. Are you injured?
No, I'm not.
Okay.
Can you stand me up?
Not right now. I'm gonna have you chill here for a minute, okay?
Listen, I'm gonna tell you what the situation is. You can take it however you want.
Okay.
I know that you felt that I was under the influence and you weren't gonna let me go.
It's not sad.
No, it's right over there.
I'm gonna roll you over to my side, okay?
Yep, can I have water?
Not right now.
Can I ask you an honest question?
Sure.
Are you new? I've been doing this for over a year.
You've been doing what?
No, have you been a cop for like doing this for over a year?
I don't know if that's relevant.
No, I'm just asking you. Like, I really want to know.
I'm not sure.
You're not sure? It's okay if you have.
You're gonna be okay. Okay? You weren't driving. This has nothing to do with you, right? So can I help you up, please? This looks very uncomfortable. You can't move. All right. What hurts? Are you
I was
injured?
asking him a question.
Okay. Are you
I
injured?
was asking you a question.
Okay.
Can you? No, I will answer it. I will
I'm
answer the
asking you
question.
a question that's more important than how long he's been a cop. I'm asking you if you're injured.
I can't say anything for you. I can answer it once I get that answer question.
Yeah, I'm not sure if he's gonna be cooperative.
No, I am. I'll be straightforward with you.
Okay.
So are you injured? Are you gonna answer the question?
Actually, one more.
Do you need to be checked out by an ambulance? Rudolph,
What does that mean if I need to be checked out?
I'm
by
asking if
anyone?
you're injured.
Yeah, and I'm asking you, what does that mean? Because I feel, I'm in pain.
Okay, where?
I'm in pain in my entire body.
Okay.
Whole body
But
hurts?
yes.
Anything specific other than your whole
I
body?
can't tell because I'm in shock. I know you're shaking. It's okay. I'm not shaking.
Firefighters like to talk to you.
Can I have water?
We do not have water, unfortunately.
Okay, what do you have to aid me here?
We have an ambulance. We have medical staff. We can just. So what happened?
Okay, I can tell you right now that I know how the justice system works. I know how things go, and
Okay, but what's going on with you? We're just the paramedics, so we're here to help you with any
okay, so
medical
if
needs.
you're here to help me, I need water.
And we don't carry water with us.
Do you
That's
have any type of fluid?
not that we can
Rudolph,
give
do you have
drink.
any pain or injuries?
No, I'm trying to tell you that I do.
Okay, can you tell
I'm
us
just
that?
asking for
I'm not
water.
going to give you water. So you
Okay,
can either
so-
tell us about your injuries?
So, the injuries that I have,
Yes.
I can't really talk about them because you're saying that you can't aid them.
So you're declining medical
I'm
assistance.
not declining medical
Okay, then tell us
assistance.
what's
I'm
wrong.
asking for medical assistance.
For
and,
what?
And the simplest version is I'm saying I need water. If you cannot provide me with that, I understand. And I wish it wasn't that way. But like, do you understand what I'm saying? Like, I feel like right now, medically, I need water. You tell me I can't provide that to me. So fortunately, like, it looks like I'm gonna have to suffer. I don't want that.
Okay, yeah, that's not something that we can take you to a hospital where they have water. Yeah, then that would be what we could do, but that's not something that we would be providing to you.
And then what are the other options? Because like, I don't want to die.
Right, we wouldn't let you die.
Well,
Yeah.
I don't know, because like right now I'm saying I need water,
Right.
and it feels like it's, dire, but you're looking at me saying that you can't provide me with that. Like, you can't provide me with the bottle.
Right, because we don't carry that. That's not
okay.
something that we carry.
That's okay. I understand.
We have other means of giving you that if we
I
feel
understand.
that.
I understand. So what, like, how does that work?
That would be like giving you an IV with fluids and things like that, but that might not quench your thirst. That might just...
If I say that right now I need water and you just would like put me in some type of cell or some type of cage and you don't provide me with water, I can't tell you that I'm going to be 100%.
Look, you'll get water soon. We're
I'll let you guys
I don't think
talk to these guys.
I don't think you're getting it. We don't have any right now. You'll get water in a little bit. Is that the only chief complaint you got though? Are you doing okay right now?
I'm not doing okay mentally. It's tough for me.
All right.
But I'm trying to be honest with you.
Okay. No,
You know what I'm saying?
We appreciate that.
I
Man.
appreciate your honesty.
Yeah, like, I know where I stand and I know what the situation is.
Yep.
And I know that I made a bad decision, but I'm trying to say that, like, realistically, I feel like need some water. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, we're gonna get going for it now though, okay?
Yeah, so you're not too concerned with that.
No,
What I want.
we'll get you water where we're going. We don't have water out here.
What's the timetable with that? Like
15 minutes?
Alright.
Are you just saying? Oh, okay.
Rudolf'a durdurulduğunda saha ayıklık testi, SFTS veya nefes testi yapma seçeneği sunuldu. Ancak bunların hepsini reddetti. Ayrıca yapılan sorgulamada Rudolf'un 2018 yılında alkollü araç kullanma mahkumiyeti olduğu ortaya çıktı.
You guys gonna put me in jail, right?
Yeah.
And then what? Someone's gonna have to bail me out?
There's not going to be bail on this one.
Why not?
Because it's felony.
Why is it a felony?
Because you've led and eluded the police.
Kadın yolcunun ifadesine göre Rudolf trafik çevirmesinden kaçmadan hemen önce "Üzgünüm, çocuğumun adına veda etmek zorundayım" dedi. Takip sırasında ise oldukça korktuğunu ve hatta araçtan atlamayı düşündüğünü dile getirdi. Bu ifadeler olayın psikolojik boyutunu da gözler önüne serdi. Rudolf, 3. kez alkollü araç kullanma, bir memura direnme suçlamalarıyla karşı karşıya kaldı. Bu suçlardan dolayı $1.300 üzerinde trafik cezası aldı ve Şubat 2024 itibariyle $5.000 nakit kefalet belirlendi. Ancak mahkeme sonunda Rudolf yalnızca 2 ağır suçtan suçlu bulundu.